This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, first of all, I will draw this rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 150 minus 84 in this direction, and in this direction it has a dimension of 15 plus 15 unit plus 15 unit on this side. Okay, then I will extrude it to 82 unit. After that, we can, in our case, we can see we have a chamfer in this portion. Okay, chamfer and another chamfer in this portion. And what are the chamfer's dimension? In this portion, the chamfer has a dimension of the height of the this chamfer is 82 minus 36. Okay, and this length of the chamfer is 150 minus 84 minus 32 unit. Okay, then in this side the chamfer is 21 unit by 12 unit. Then we can see we have a extrude cut hole here, and this extrude cut hole has a diameter of 18 unit and it is 15 unit apart from here. Okay, let's start drawing. So I am selecting the top plane from here. Okay, now sketch. Now select the center rectangle, place the center rectangle here, and now dimension. Now dimension it to 150 minus 84 unit by 15 plus 50 plus 15 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 82 unit. Okay, extrude bossing it to 82 unit. Now it's time for chamfer. For doing the chamfer, select the chamfer from here and select this option distance chamfer, and from here select the asymmetric. Okay, select this line, and here you can see we have 2 points. The distance 1, you can see distance 1 link from here. So the distance 1 is this vertical distance, and the vertical distance we have told that it is, okay, I'm selecting the vertical distance 1 from here. It is 82 minus 36 unit. Okay, then the horizontal distance we have talked about, it is 150 minus 84 minus 32 unit. Okay, now press OK. So this chamfer has been done. Now again select the chamfer tool from here and select this distance to distance unit and select the asymmetric and select this portion. And in this portion we can see that the distance 1 is this lower portion, vertical distance. So the vertical distance in our drawing, it has 21 unit. Okay, then the distance 2 is our horizontal distance, and the horizontal distance is 12 unit. Okay, 12 unit. Now press OK. So this side has been done. Also again select the chamfer option, and from there select this face. Okay, and select distance. Now select asymmetric, and from here you can see that the top distance is here is 12 unit and the vertical distance is here 21 unit. So it is okay. So I'm selecting OK. So after that, isometric it for a better view. Now select this top face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle tool from here and place a circle at the center and draw a circle of 18 diameter. Now select the smart dimension tool and dimension this circle from this horizontal line. It has a distance of 15 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now let's go back to the sketch. In our sketch we can see from this we need to draw a rectangular portion here, and we have another rectangular cut, and it also has a semicircle. So how will we gonna draw it? So for drawing this, first of all I'll draw a center line from here, and that center line I will draw two offset line, and as we can see the total distance is 50 unit. So this half distance offset will be 25 unit and this half distance offset will be 25 unit. Then I will close this to shape. Okay, from that the rectangle has shape has been done. Then it comes from the extrude cut portion. For the extrude cut portion, I will draw another center line here, and this center line has a distance. Okay, let me remind here the previous distance. This center line was 84 unit distance. Okay, for the extrude cut, I will draw a center line here, and this center line has a distance of 45 unit, and we can see the total distance is 20 unit. So the half distance will be 10 unit here and 10 unit in the other side. Then I will use the offset entities cap in option to cap in. Then I will trim this portion. After that, I will extrude it to 36 unit. Okay, so I am selecting the top plane from here. Now sketch, now normal to it, and from that select the center line and place the center line to this point and draw a center line of 84 unit. After that, select the offset entities and select this line for offset entities. As the total distance is 50 units, so the half distance will be 50 divided by 2, so 25 unit. Make sure to click bidirectional cap in. Now select line, now press OK. Now select the trim option. I will trim this center line because I need to draw another center line for the extrude cut center. Selecting the center line and placing the center line here, and this center line has a distance of 45 unit. And after drawing that, select the offset entities tool, and for this center line the total distance is 20 units, so the half distance will be 20 divided by 2 unit, 15 unit. Now select the cap in and select arc option. Now press OK. Now select the trim option and trim all the unnecessary part that we don't need. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 36 unit. Dimension it to 36 unit. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.